Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use TikTok videos as live wallpaper on Android. Make sure you have this app installed on your Android device. It is called TikTok Wallpaper. I'm going to put the link in the description. So when you go to TikTok, choose your preferred video you want to use as live wallpaper. Click on the share icon. Swipe to the right side. Keep swiping until you see Set as Wallpaper. Click on it. Now click on Set as Wallpaper. Now select Set as Wallpaper. You can set it as home screen and lock screen if you want. I'm going to click on home screen. When you go to your home screen, you can see that it is now your live wallpaper. So that's how you set a video on TikTok as live wallpaper on Android. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.